guys, right now we're going to be doing my Boxy Premium unboxing. And I've already opened this when I got home. I just got off of work. I still have on scrubs. But I just want to sit down and film this video for you guys, so you guys can go ahead and see what I got in my Boxy Premium. I was one of the lucky people to get the Boxy Premium. If you don't know, Boxy Premium is still a BoxyCharm subscription box. It's a BoxyCharm subscription box. And in conjunction, they have like the regular box. They have the Boxy Lux box that you can pay more for if you want it. I think the Boxy Lux is every 3rd month. So you'll get a BoxyCharm and BoxyCharm. And if you sign up for Boxy Lux, the 3rd month, you'll get Boxy Lux. Boxy Premium is supposed to be a higher cost edition. It costs more every month, and you're supposed to get better products in it. And I think the Boxy Premium is $35. The BoxyCharm box have increased from $25 to $21, and I forgot how much the Boxy Lux was. Maybe it's $49 or $59, $39, or I think it's at $39 or $49. I'm not sure, but let's see what I got in my Boxy Premium. So I got a Kapari Coconut Rose Toner. I already own one of these. When I did my Scentbird unboxing, you saw that I unboxed this and that. But still a great product to have. I feel like it's a high-end product, and you can purchase this from Sephora right now. Let me see if they sent us the card. The Kapari Coconut Rose Toner. It says on here that it retails for $25. So the box only costs us $35. So that's $10 less than what the box costs. The next item I have in here is a Becca Glow Gloss. And this is in the shade Champagne Cream. I've never used a Becca Gloss before. And I already got something on, so I won't be putting this on. But it looks like a nice color. And this retails for $22. So with these two products, we already have the cost of the box covered, which is like great, because Becca is a high-end product, and so is Kapari. You can purchase both of these from Sephora. The next product that we have in here is these BoxyCharm brushes, which to me, I think cheapens the box a little bit, because they are from BoxyCharm. They're not from a brand like Lexi Brushes or something like that. And to me, they look like they are kind of cheap. I didn't watch any videos on what you're supposed to do with these. I'm guessing these are maybe some cream and contour type brushes, but they are kind of soft. They're not that dense. Maybe this is a foundation brushes and 2 eyeshadow brushes. Don't get me wrong, the brushes to me do look unique and different. And you know, I'm happy to have them. But for a premium box, I would be expecting brushes from Lexi, because they use, you know, Lexi brushes, or from another high-end brush line, not just brushes from BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm says that these 5-piece brush set is worth $65. I just can't think that to be true, but maybe they are. You know, there are BoxyCharm brushes. They say they are worth $65 on this card. So the next thing that we have is the Dragon Beauty Dragon Fire Potion, which is her color correcting thing. I think it's supposed to work with all skin tones to conceal and correct color. And I think it's got a good color to it. Like, yes, and it's worth $25. And we know that Nikita Dragon is the person who owns this company, and she does has a good product. And these are made for, I think, maybe drag queens or transgender type people, but she said she made this for other skin tones, and anybody can use makeup products, which is a great thing. And last, not least, so the next thing I have in this box, the Dragon Beauty retails for $25. I have a QMS Cosmetic Intensive Eye Cream. It says it's a nurturing formula developed to rejuvenate, hydrate, and care for sensitive skin around the eyes. And this cream retails for $150. And this cream actually does sells for $150, because we got previews and we knew what was in the box before the box actually came And so I looked up this cream and I saw that it actually does cost $150. So that's like way more total of the box. And last but not least, my favorite item, the item I really want this box for, is the Natasha Denona Bloom and Glow Blush and Glow palette. Everybody was talking about this palette when it first came out. It was the palette, I guess it's a face palette of its season when it came out. It's its thing, and everybody said how great the formula was and how amazing it works, and they just loved it. So I'm very excited to use this. I was trying to see if I could find a brush or something. Maybe I could put a little something on for you guys. So I don't see anything right now, but maybe later on I could demonstrate with these guys. And this you can purchase at Sephora right now for $55. So this is over the cost of the box. The box only costs $35. And if I didn't get any other product in here, this to me makes up for what I paid for the box. Because when it first came out, I was going to purchase this, but I decided I did not want to. Do I think that BoxyCharm Boxy Premium is worth it right now? As far as the first box, I do. I am over the moon excited. Can BoxyCharm Premium maintain the momentum? Can they continue to give us great items? We will wait and see.